Alright folks, today's video we're going to be going over how to fix a broken install of Office 365. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. As you can see, this is obviously Windows 11. So if you haven't already upgraded yet, really awesome operating system by the way, not sponsored. First thing we want to do is just go ahead down to our Windows symbol. Basically it's the same general idea in Windows 10, so you don't necessarily have to be like, oh, this is Windows 11, I can't use these instructions. You definitely can. So we're just going to click on Start, and then what we're going to do is go to Settings. On Windows 10 it'll be kind of like on the side over here. And then when we get into Settings, we want to look up Apps. On Windows 10 it'll be like a little bunch, it'll be in the bunch of icons that's here. Windows 11 is just over here on the left hand side. So just going to click on that, and then for Windows 11 you have to click again for whatever reason, and then we just want to kind of go ahead and scroll on down until we find Office. Here it is, so we'll click on that. Now we'll click on this three dots here and we're going to do modify. We don't want to uninstall, we want to modify. And it's going to give you the little security prompt, so we're going to click yes on that. And there's two different ways to repair this. You can do a quick repair or you can do an online repair. I will tell you right now, quick repair does not do a very good job. Don't even bother with this, just pretend that doesn't exist. Then what you really want to do is click online repair, and then you'll hit repair. And once you do that, it'll go on the net. It will go through the whole process of re-downloading all of the Office apps and reinstalling them for you, and then that's it. Everything should be pretty much back up and running. You may have to re-log into your Office so that way it validates your copy, but that's about all you'll really run into that's a difficulty afterwards. So pretty simple process. Decided to make a quick video on it for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest videos. In the meantime, stay safe out on the net.